Welcome to bondmason.com is an online store claiming to sell premium vegan leather bags and accessories with discounts of up to 70%. Because apparently, nothing screams high-end luxury quite like a permanent fire sale on plastic that identifies as a cow. But the big question remains, is Bond & Mason actually legit or just another internet mirage? Stick with me until the end, and I'll break it down step by step so you don't end up with a cardboard box and a broken heart. The first good sign is their reputation. When we checked Trustpilot, Bond & Mason had an overall rating of 4.2 stars, which is a surprisingly solid score for a place that doesn't have a physical front door. Customers are busy praising the brand for stylish, high-quality bags at affordable prices, loving everything from the easy website to the quick delivery. Some even claim they get compliments on the bag's durability, which is impressive considering most vegan alternatives have the lifespan of a wet paper towel. The second sign involves a bit of digital detective work. We checked the registration, and the website was created way back in July 2020. In the world of sketchy e-commerce, surviving for several years is basically a lifetime achievement award. Unlike those pop-up sites that vanish faster than your New Year's resolutions, this one actually has a track record. Furthermore, Bond & Mason boasts a strong social media presence with over 20,000 followers on Facebook and 14,000 on Instagram. That's a massive community, proving that the brand has built real engagement with people who actually exist. They also offer a wide range of products, from stylish handbags to versatile accessories, giving you plenty of ways to spend money you probably shouldn't. Perhaps the most reassuring sign is on their Facebook page, where they clearly provide an email ID and a phone number for support. In an age where most online stores hide behind a broken chatbot named Kevin, having a direct line to a human is a rare luxury. So, is bondandmason.com legit? Based on the evidence, the answer is a resounding yes. With a history dating back to 2020, solid reviews, and transparent contact details, it's a credible platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates, unless you're too busy browsing for a new tote.